In a vast, sun-scorched outback, there lived a young kangaroo named Kip. Kip was unlike any other kangaroo. He had a boundless spirit and an insatiable curiosity that led him far and wide. One day, Kip noticed a lush green valley in the distance. It was unlike anything he had ever seen, a verdant paradise shimmering in the heat. He longed to explore it, but it was far beyond his usual hopping range. Kip decided to make the journey. He packed his pouch with water and food, and set off towards the mysterious valley. Along the way, he encountered many obstacles: steep cliffs, wide rivers, and treacherous terrain. But Kip, with his unyielding spirit, overcame every challenge. As he reached the edge of the valley, Kip saw a vast chasm that seemed impossible to cross. A fearful doubt crept into his heart. "I cannot cross this," he thought. "I will never reach the green paradise." But then, Kip remembered the wisdom of his wise old grandmother. She had once told him, "Fear is a mountain that grows in our minds, but it is as small as a pebble in the face of true courage." With a deep breath, Kip took a running start and leaped across the chasm. To his surprise, he landed safely on the other side. The valley was even more beautiful than he had imagined, filled with vibrant flowers, clear streams, and towering trees. Kip learned that day that fear can hold us back, but it is only a small obstacle when faced with courage and determination. He realized that the only limits we have are the ones we set for ourselves. From that day on, Kip continued to explore the world, always leaping into the unknown with faith and courage. And wherever he went, he spread the message of his grandmother's wisdom: "Fear is a mountain that grows in our minds, but it is as small as a pebble in the face of true courage."